The ATERET Roof Harness Safety Kit is a comprehensive and robust solution for ensuring safety during high-risk activities such as roofing, construction, and high-rise window cleaning. The kit includes a full-body harness with 5 adjustable points and an anti-slip back placard, offering a comfortable fit and maximum user comfort even during rigorous testing standards. The kit comes with a 50 feet long vertical lifeline assembly that has an integrated shock absorber, reducing the need for an additional shock-absorbing lanyard and consequently decreasing the weight transferred to the dorsal D-ring. The ATERET Roof Harness Safety Kit is designed to be durable and waterproof and includes a steel, polyester harness, anchor, and lifeline, all packed together in a durable 4 gallons bucket for easy transport between job sites. This safety kit is compliant with Occupational Safety and Health Administration and American National Standards Institute standards, can carry a combined weight of 130 to 310 pounds, and includes safety glasses and gloves. With a high review score of 4.6, this kit is a highly reliable solution for ensuring safety during high-risk tasks, and it is available for a competitive price of $99.9.